Welcome to today's episode where we're cutting through the noise and getting real about automation. Let's be clear from the start. Automation is no longer an optional pilot project. It's a production level necessity, yet most businesses are still pretending they can afford to treat it like a side hustle. This isn't about adopting the latest shiny tool or chasing the AI hype. It's about embedding automation into the very fabric of your operations. Fail to do that, and you'll find yourself in a constant cycle of firefighting where manual workarounds become the norm. Let's talk about the cost of pretending automation is optional. It's not just about the financial hit, though that's substantial. It's about the mental load you're carrying, the decision fatigue from being the human middleware between broken processes. You know what I'm talking about. Those moments when you're the only one who can make the system work because it needs constant babysitting. That's a clear sign that your systems aren't robust. Here's the reality: automation should be the backbone of your operations, not an afterthought. But too often, we see operators getting lost in the allure of tools rather than focusing on the infrastructure that supports them. The tool is not the solution, it's merely a component. The real solution lies in how well your systems integrate and how seamlessly they handle the handoffs. Let's dig into some truths. First, automation is not a shortcut, it's a commitment to process excellence. If you're looking for a quick fix, you're setting yourself up for failure. Second, automation is not about replacing people, it's about amplifying their capabilities. When done right, it frees up your team to focus on strategic tasks rather than mundane, repetitive ones. Third, automation is not static. It requires continuous optimization. This means regularly auditing your processes to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Consider this example. In sales, automation can streamline lead qualification, ensuring that your team spends time on high-value prospects. But if your CRM system isn't properly integrated with your marketing tools, you end up with data silos and missed opportunities. This isn't just a technical issue, it's a strategic one. Your systems must talk to each other, or else you're just adding layers of complexity without gaining any real leverage. In operations, the story is similar. Automation can optimize inventory management, reducing waste and improving cash flow. But if your supply chain systems aren't aligned, you risk stockouts or overstocking, both of which can cripple your business. The key is not just in having automation, but in having the right automation that aligns with your operational goals. So, what's the takeaway here? Automation is not a set and forget solution. It's a dynamic process that demands attention and refinement. If you're finding that your systems only work when someone is watching them like a hawk, it's time to rethink your approach. The goal is to build systems that reduce the cognitive load on your team, allowing them to focus on what really matters, driving the business forward. In closing, if you ignore the need for integrated automation, you're not just risking inefficiency, you're risking the very agility and resilience of your business. Automation, when done right, is not just a tool, it's a strategic advantage. It's time to stop pretending it's optional and start treating it as the core of your operational strategy. Thanks for tuning in. If you're ready to recalibrate your approach to automation, stay with us for more insights in upcoming episodes. If you're ready to recalibrate your approach to automation, stay with us for more insights in upcoming episodes.